channel. So I have a small Walmart haul for you guys. I don't have too many items, but I still wanted to come on here and show you guys just in case you guys would be interested in grabbing some of these snacks. So the first thing I want to say is I hope that you guys are all being safe out here. I have been in the house for quite a few days. I'm not sure if I'm going to go out and do any couponing Sunday. I'm not sure. If I do, I will make sure that I already have my list written out so that I don't have to, spend too much time in the store. But as of right now, I don't know. So as you guys can see right here, I have 5 bags of the Cheez-It Snap. I have the cheddar sour cream and onion. And then I also have this new flavor, jalapeno jack. I have never tried that flavor before. And these are priced at my store for $2.42. Ibotta has a rebate back for 75 cents off of one. The limit is 5, and I just went ahead and grabbed 5 just so that I can, be stocked up on it. And so $2.42 minus the 75-cent off Ibotta rebate, it'll bring the total down to just $1.67 per bag, which I think is a really great deal. And so I just went ahead and got 5 bags of those. So I am completely stocked. This is what we'll kind of be, munching. I also have this Johnsonville maple syrup breakfast sausage. So this is priced at $2.98 at Walmart. Ibotta does have an offer for $1 back when you buy one. The limit is 5, but I only grabbed one. So $2.98 minus the $1 that you will get back from Ibotta makes this just $1.98. And as I already explained this deal right here in my previous Walmart video, the Chips Deluxe Rainbow Cookies, these are priced at my store for $2.56. Ibotta does have an offer for $1 back. The limit is 2. And so I just went ahead and purchased one. So $2.56 minus the $1 that I got back from Ibotta made this package of cookies just $1.56. For the Edge shaving gel right here, these are priced at my store for $2.97. I did use two $1 off of 1 coupons that I printed from coupons.com. And then Ibotta also has a rebate offer for $1.50 back when you purchase 2. So in order to get that rebate offer, you will have to purchase 2. So $2.97 times 2 is $5.94 minus the $2 off that I got from coupons.com. Brought my total down to just $3.94. And then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back. So that brought the overall total down to $2.44 for both, or just $1.22 each. Now at Walgreens, you can get these for 99 cents. Okay, so instead of $1.22, you can get them for 99 cents. But I already did the sentiment deal at Walgreens this week. And since I was at Walmart, I just decided to go ahead and get those. And then plus on this transaction, I did use a gift card. So they are cheaper than $1.22 for me. And then right here, I have 2 of the Chic Intuition razors right here. So these are priced at my store for $8.68. I did use 2 $4 off coupons that I printed from coupons.com. I'm not sure if these coupons are still available. You will have to check. But I used 2 $4 off coupons. Ibotta also has a $4 rebate, and the limit is 2. So they are $8.68 in store, minus the $4 off coupon that I printed from coupons.com, brought the total down to $4.68. And then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $4. It makes these just 68 cents, which is amazing, you guys. Because I think the highest priced one was like $9.34. But when I got in the store, I saw that these were $8.68. So I was like, okay, perfect. So I'm going to get 2 of these. Of course, I will always get the cheapest one. So $8.68, and I only paid 68 cents each. The limit is 2, and that is why I grabbed 2. So don't forget, go to coupons.com to see if you can print off the $4 off coupon, and then check your Ibotta apps to see if you can get the $4 rebate back. And then you will only just pay 68 cents if your store has these priced at $8.68. Your store may have them for higher, or your store may have them for less. but just check your stores. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and just show you guys my receipt right quick. So as you can see, all 5 of the cheeses rung up at $2.42. The Chips Deluxe cookies rung up at $2.56. The sausages rung up at $2.98. The razors, both razors rung up at $8.68. And then the Edge shaving gel, both of those rung up at $2.97 with both of the $2 off coupons coming off. And then as you can see, both of the $4 off coupons did come off for the razors. And so the overall total, my overall total came out to be $30.94, not including taxes. I did use a $10 gift card that I redeemed from Fetch Rewards. So my total was $30.94 minus that $10 off coupon that I used from Fetch Rewards. It brought my total down to just $20.94 from Ibotta with all of my rebates, plus an extra 10 cents for scanning in an item on my receipt, plus an additional 50 cents for hitting a bonus. I got a total of $15.85 back from Ibotta. So $20.94 minus $15.85 brought my total down to just $5.09 for this entire transaction, or 46 cents per item, which is an amazing deal. So I have a total of 11 items here, and I only paid $5.09 for everything. I was able to do that because I withdrew a $10 off gift card from Fetch Rewards. I was able to do that just from scanning my receipts at Fetch Rewards. So if you guys are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have the link in the description box below. I will also have my code on the screen for you guys. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. And then I will also receive $2. So even though this is a small haul, you guys, I still wanted to come on here and show you guys what I have. Just in case you guys were looking for some snacks to stock up on. If you do have the Cheez-It rebate offer, I think this is I think paying $1.68 for this is a great price, considering that the regular price is $2.42. So especially with with you having kids home, I'm pretty sure they would really appreciate those snacks, along with the Chips Deluxe cookies. So you guys, I think this is going to be pretty much it for this video. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any questions. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, you guys, if you are not using Ibotta, I will have the link in my description box below. And I will also have my code on the screen for you guys. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $20 when you redeem your first purchase through Ibotta. So I think that's going to be pretty much it for this video, you guys. And also, if you all are not following me on Instagram, I would really appreciate if you guys can give me a follow over there. My Instagram name is Saving with Shaniqua. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.